Hello friends, welcome to Shyan classes, and now you are watching Shyan classes students. So we are today going to discuss some questions, and my students will tell you about their daily routine and some interesting questions. So let's get started. So today, first of all, I would like to ask daily routine from Pari. Now Pari will tell about her daily routine. Please.
First of all, I wake up at 8:35 a.m. in the morning. Then I take a bath and also brush my teeth. After that, I have my breakfast. Then I do my tuition homework and also complete math class homework, that is like powers, cubes and squares at all. Then I have my lunch. After that, I also play with my younger brother and also tag with my families. Then I completed some sentences of English grammar and also learned some rules. After that, I go to my tuition and in tuition I study English. After that, I have my dinner. After dinner, I take a class of maths and then I go for bed. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you so much for sharing your daily routine, and I hope you enjoyed it. And my students, Shaurya and Drashti, will ask some question to Pari about her daily routine and about herself also. So please ask some questions. Give to the mic, Drashti.
At what time you get up in the morning? I get up at 8:35 a.m. in the morning.
Please ask.
What is your name? My name is Pari.
So now Pari will ask some question from both of them. Yes, Pari, please.
So, do you study daily?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you play with your elder sister?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now I will ask some question. So Shaurya, in which class do you study?
I study in third class.
Okay, what's your school name?
My school name is JK Modern School.
Good. And what is your father?
My father name is Mr. Sunil Kumar Singh.
Where does he job?
Hope-
Yes.
He is working in the office.
Very good. That's good. And Pari, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English
Why do you like English and why is it your favorite subject?
because it is very interesting and I learn it is very easily.
Okay, what's your aim in future?
I want to become teacher in the future.
You want to become teacher. So obviously you would like to teach of English subject because it's your favorite subject.
Yes.
That's good. And in which class do you study, Pari?
I study in class 9th.
Ninth. Okay, that's great. And can I ask your school name?
Yes.
What's the name of your school?
My school name is JK Modern School.
Go. Hi, Drashti.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Dristi.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Do you also like English? Why?
Yes, because it's very interesting and this is my favorite subject.
In which class do you study? Drashti?
I study in 6th.
Sixth class. And what is the name of your school?
My school name is St. Anne's School.
Great. And Drashti, tell me, what is your mother? She's housewife or working?
She is housewife.
Oh, that's good. And what is your father?
My father name is Ashok Kumar, Mr. Ashok Kumar,
Okay.
and he is an employee in PPVFRA.
Good, good. Can you tell me about your daily routine?
Yes.
Please proceed.
First of all, I get up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and take a bath. After that, I go to my school and study English, science, and the subject. After that, I have my lunch. Then I do my tuition homework, make some sentences. Then I go to my tuition and studied and understand English tenses like past perfect tense. After that, I have some snacks. Then I watch TV. After that, I have my dinner. Then I learn some rules, squares and cubes, and English rules. After that, I go to bed for sleep. Thank you.
Very, very good, but you did a mistake. You used action third form gone. Okay, first form is go. So you are telling us about your daily routine. So always you will use action first form in present indefinite tense.
Okay.
Good. So now I'm going to Shaurya. Shaurya will also tell about his daily routine. So please tell it.
I get up early in the morning. Then I have my breakfast. Then I take a bath. Then I brush my teeth. I have my dinner. Then I play with my younger brother. Then I play with my then I play with my sister. Then I go for bed and sleep.
Very good. He always sleep after without doing dinner. Yeah, he is very strong boy and don't
He
need
brush
any.
after breakfast.
And he brushes his teeth after breakfast, so he is very nice guy. Please don't laugh at him. Yes. Are you feeling nervous? No. Good.
By the way,
Very good.
he speak very well.
He spoke very well. Very good.
Please follow Shyan classes to learn spoken English.